Okay, hi everyone. So I have to make a video because otherwise YouTube's gonna post it as a short, and if I post it as a short, I can't do a description. So I have to let this run for some time. But if you already know the procedure when it comes to APK links, you can ignore this video basically and just go straight to the link in the description. Basically, there's been some people posting about issues with FREETALK and not being able to do FREETALK. Now, I don't know if you know or not, but we can't post links to Facebook. It won't post it. Okay? So I can't do anything with this. I can't send it to anyone here. I want to disagree. I'll do that. But I can't post it to Facebook, basically. I can't do it quick and easy. That's why this goes up as a YouTube video. For those of you who don't know the procedure, if you have issues with your app and you need to use an APK, such as this one, in order to download a new version or a different version that's not available in the Play Store, then you're going to have to first uninstall your original Palfish app. Okay? So you need to completely remove it. And then you need to come to the video and click the description below. I can show you on previous videos of my channel. So if I was to go to this video, which also came up as a short, which is also a problem.
Wow, that was really being a dum-dum about not letting me post the link to
I don't want to hear myself. Thank you. You're going to have to hit the 3 dots and get the description. And then you can see the description. You can click the links. But you have to uninstall first. Okay? But because it's more complicated, if it's on a regular video, like a regular length video, you can just hit this little button.
Because
You can just hit a button and you'll see the description more easily. So I'm trying to make this video a length in order to be able to not do that stupid shorts thing. Okay? So uninstall your app and then install via this link if you're having FREETALK issues. And it should be long enough now. It's over 2 minutes.